Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have a little unboxing and I'm pretty excited. So let me see if I can tear this open. So I ordered another standard traveler's notebook, obviously from Amazon, as you can see. Packaging is really nice. It's like I kind of want to save the sticker. Okay, whatever. I am outside in my car filming just because it's just better lighting out here, and there's not as much noise going on. I mean, you can hear cars driving by and obviously like the wind and stuff, but ooh, you get a free little like bookmark. It's really cute though. And then you can just reuse these, the little closures on this box. So there's two to reuse in your traveler's notebook. But let's open this. Ooh, it's so pretty. I might take this off though. So here's a good look. Have it like that. And then it comes with inserts as well. This one's just a grid insert, a craft folder, a lined insert, and then blank insert. So I'm going to take all these inserts out. Okay, so this is my current traveler's notebook. I'm just I don't know, because this cover comes with 2 straps, but I don't know how this is all gonna look in there, but okay, so I do really love this butterfly charm. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it on here, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. I don't want to take it off of here. This actually fits this journal and stuff a lot better than this one. I do really love this cover though. It's like my absolute favorite cover. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it in here along with all these inserts, because I'm not going to be using any of these right now, at least. I'm going to put these little bands in here as well, just so I know where they are. So I guess I can kind of show you like my setup. This cover is really pretty. I love like the flowers, and the carving and everything. Just have a little note here that stays there. And then I put this little like mushroom pin on like this canvas pouch. It's just a mushroom eating a bag of chips, and I really love that pen. I got it from Temu. And then I just got stuff in there, of course. But I have this. So this dashboard is like one of my like favorite things about this traveler's notebook, because I love having these pictures of me and my family, and I love that I can like switch up the deco and just like make it look different. And I don't know, I just really love this. And then I have some post-it notes back here. I cut up this moleskin like large notebook. It's a soft cover. The paper is blank and rolled, which I really love, and it's different than any like journal I've used, but I'm pretty excited to use it. I did cut it pretty janky. It didn't come out the best, but that's fine. I'm trying not to let it bug me, but I know like after I fill up all the pages, it's, you know, the pages are gonna fluff up and it's not gonna look like all, you know. But yeah, there's that. I don't like the back especially because it just looks more messed up in the back. And then my zipper canvas pouch where I have just photo prints, you know, washi samples. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. And to be honest, like when I first opened it, I don't know, I started feeling kind of like upset because I was like, oh, I don't know if I like this. But then now after I put all my stuff in it, I love it even more because it holds my stuff pretty well. This journal does like obviously have a little overhang, but that's fine. But yeah, I kind of love it, and I'm pretty excited to use this and start journaling in this because I haven't even started journaling yet. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.